Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in today's guide video I am going to guide you on how you can fix the TikTok draft video problem if it is actually not being published after you have saved it to your draft. But before we get started, if you are new to this channel, then do make sure to leave a like as well as subscribe, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's tutorial. So in today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can fix the draft problem on your TikTok when you have saved a video to the draft but it is not actually uploading itself. For example, let me open TikTok on my phone right over here. As I open TikTok, first of all, let me simply try to save a video to my draft. First of all, I'm going to simply tap on the post button right over here, and as I tap on post, you can see I have the option to actually record it right from here or choose the one from the upload section at the bottom right hand side of the screen. So if I want to save this video, I'm going to simply record it, or if not, then I'm going to simply choose a photo from my gallery or choose a video from my gallery. I'm going to, let's say, a very short one right over here. Once I do that, I'm going to simply tap on the next button as well, and you can see here at the bottom you have the option to actually save this as a draft or a post. Now if you want to post this, then you can simply tap on the post button at the bottom right hand side of the screen, or if you want to save this as draft, first of all, I'm going to simply save this as a draft and show you. Now if I go to my profile button or the me option at the bottom right hand side of the screen, you can see this footage right over here which we actually saved to our draft. Now if I tap on this draft video right over here, and if you're not actually being able to upload this draft video, you want to understand that the draft, this video which you uploaded, is actually not currently uploaded to TikTok or its server. You want to make sure you still have this video on your gallery, because if you don't have a draft video on your gallery, the TikTok has not actually uploaded it to its server, so it is actually still going to pull it out from your gallery, or maybe you have actually deleted it and that's why it is not being able to actually retrieve or post it online. So you want to make sure that you have actually this video in your gallery. If not, then you want to simply go back to the recently deleted tab and then try to restore the video first in order to publish that draft video, because this is how draft works in TikTok. It is not actually saving it on the server, it is simply saved in your gallery. Now if I tap on this video and if I want to go ahead and post it, then you can simply tap on the next button right over here, and you can choose to do many things and so on. So this was a simple fix on how you can fix a TikTok draft video not publishing or something else. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like as well as subscribe. And as always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.